Wow.
Okay.
That is not. So exactly how big is too big? Let's find out with Vino's song.
But are we gonna get drunk first? You promised me eating and drinking.
I guess. I mean.
Yeah.
All right.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Welcome to Drunk Dining, where we get drunk and cook food.
Oh.
All right, well, let's do this, huh? Hey guys, welcome back to Drunk Dining. So in today's episode, we're going to be making some really big burgers. About 10 pounds in total to be exact. And one of the first things we got to do is we actually have to have bread that's big enough. And to be honest, I'm gonna focus on that on another episode. But in this episode, we're just gonna be focusing mostly on getting the bread toasted properly and also just making a really big 4.5 pound burger patty. So we got to get this all put together. So gotta make some space. So Vino, have you ever done anything like this?
I'll be honest with you, I've been an amateur food competitor for a little bit. So once you told me I want to do a burger challenge with you, I'll be like, this is my field. So it's up there on one of the biggest burgers I've eaten. Food is definitely a big part of my life.
Competitive eating is definitely
it's much different.
My forte,
yeah,
but
you're more of the art.
Yeah,
I'm more of the in my face. Please get in
my stomach.
I think what we really did was really put together something that was both of our visions.
Yes.
I mean, I was I want to make a challenge, and I think what we're gonna come up with is gonna be pretty awesome. And what we're doing here is we're gonna slice the bread in half using a serrated knife. It's very important to use a serrated knife for bread. Here we're gonna add a little bit of olive oil to the white side just to toast the buns. Always toast your buns. That's just a golden rule, because when you toast your buns, you want to make sure that it stays crisp. That way, when you do put the burger together, it doesn't get soggy.
Look at the buns on this. I'm already excited. These are like two wheels on a moped.
Here, watch out. This is super hot. This is just one. There's a little bit of fat drippage over there. We're going to just try to drain some of that.
That's how you know it's good. So I can already tell this is going to be a very dense burger.
So we're going to be working on about 4.5 pounds of burger patties. So we're going to take 4.5 pounds of ground beef. While we're forming the patty, we really want to just not touch it as much as we possibly can. We want to just loosely form it. And what I'm using here is an 85% lean to 15% fat mixture of Angus beef. Make sure you use high quality if you're going to cook it at medium well. But we're going to treat this more like a prime rib. One of the mistakes that a lot of people do is they put all the seasonings into the ground beef mixture, which through osmosis just really ruins the composition of the patty. It becomes very dense once you do that, and the last thing you want is a non-juicy burger. We're going to generously salt the exterior, and we're going to also use a little bit of our favorite rub. So I'm using a Memphis barbecue rub. It has a hint of smokiness, some really nice sweetness. Very mellow, very well balanced. And then we're gonna cook this in what is called a reverse sear method. So we're gonna cook this thing at about 250 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 45 minutes until we can get this patty to hit 135 degrees Fahrenheit with an instant read thermometer. That 135 is about medium rare. We're gonna broil this for about 15 minutes just to get a nice even charring on the outside. We're doing one on a wire rack and one in a cast iron. And then that's about it. Let's see how Vino and I do. Wow, this... I'm trusting Vino with this. If he freaking drops this...
It's over. So much planning.
This was I want to say my entire day today. As soon as I woke up.
Your heart's gonna sink.
I will die inside if you drop this
I
thing.
will hold this with my life.
Okay.
And I will put it on the ground. So this burger just came out of the oven. We'll do some... Okay, I think that's gonna be a good enough cheese, but just for the sake of the competition.
I'm gonna throw just a couple slices of American cheese on this. I've been sweating because this freaking oven is just blasting in my freaking face.
Plus Vegas is not the coolest place to be.
Okay, cool.
Throwing that back in the oven. Well, if you guys like prank channels.
Yo! I'm just trying to branch out and make some new friends.
Shout out Binging with Babish. Just kidding.
Hey, stop calling me out.
Burger is coming. That can be your slice. I'll be your piece.
Oh, okay. You're in shape. I'm probably gonna die of a heart attack.
Okay, man, I got a heavy chest day tomorrow, so this is all gonna be good.
See, you're carb loading. Let's just say that. I'm just being a glutton. Oh yeah, here you go, Nico. You guys want some cheese? Oh yeah. That cheese. All right, Vino, let's start putting this thing together.
Let's do it.
I'm gonna let you do the honors.
All right, right here.
We're gonna keep it right here.
So-
Bottom part is sauce.
Okay.
Just do a thin spread because we really don't
Gotcha.
wanna
Don't wanna.
overdo it.
Okay.
I'm gonna go get the burger. So after that, start laying on the tomatoes.
Now we're putting on the tomatoes.
It works.
All right.
Just get some bits of lettuce.
It was like buttered lettuce, right?
Yeah, maybe like a small little layer. Surprisingly, I bought so much stuff just to kind of make it look pretty. I'm gonna need your help to actually just maneuver this thing on there.
I feel like I just know what's coming because I've been in like several food challenges. I know my stomach's gonna hurt for a little bit.
I guess the final part is putting on this patty. This is gonna be...
Okay. Trust fall. Oh my god.
What is that?
Look at that.
Holy crap!
When it comes together, it really
It does something different.
It hits you.
Ooh. All right, Vino. I'll let you do the crowning achievement. Wow.
Okay.
That is not. Put her here.
Goodness. 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god! Look at that!
I have never been more excited for a burger my entire life. Dude, look at this. Oh my god.
That is...
Look at the color. It's a beautiful harmony of color, food, and art. Ready to eat. Ready to eat. Are we eating?
Yeah, this is it.
All right, it's gonna be a challenge between Juan and me. Ready?
Oh, let's see.
You ready?
You're like twice my mass, so...
3, 2, 1, go.
Okay.
All right. So how am I gonna eat this? I am gonna do. I'm gonna do it strategically.
This is like really good.
Oh my god, every bite is so good.
Let me dip this in my beer.
You got it.
How's this burger 20 times the size of a normal burger? It's still so fucking good. You don't allow cussing on your channel, do you?
I blur it out.
Okay, I blur mine out too.
You don't mind.
Oh, here's my jaw.
We can do this more often.
I'm not even mad.
It was well worth it.
Help me out.
Oh my god, it's so good.
Isn't this so
Bite is
delicious?
better than the next.
Right? You know.
Oh my god. It's like it all just hit me.
Dude, you're doing good. Okay, I see what you're doing.
I see what you're doing. It's good. It's a good burger, dude. I think I can call it on it.
Sorry, I'm gonna call it too.
I
Yeah.
think we can call it mutual truce. I don't think we need to finish it. There's no point in us finishing it. I like how what you did earlier, you dipped it in your beer. In the end, I think we both won. And the food was delicious. Dude, Juan, you know what you're doing here.
Even
The
though
food
I'm like,
tastes good.
yeah, even though I'm like drunk half the time.
And that's real whiskey. I've seen it.
Thank you guys so much for watching Drunk Dining, and make sure to check out Vino Song's channel, and then you guys can click on it, check out some of his videos. Check it out. As always, it's great to see you guys on Drunk Dining. We'll see you guys next week.
Boom.
Hey guys, my name is Juan, and if you haven't, you should probably subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'll be posting new videos every week. So, you know what to do. Press that. Press my face. Click my face. Not this face. That face. Thanks.